Hello, welcome to my Lifestyle with Sharon YouTube channel. Today I'm in with a special treat, having my niece and my nephew here, helping me do some cooking. So there's Adam.
Hi everyone.
And this is Rose. Say hello everyone.
Hello.
And they're going to do some cooking. So first of all, kids, I want you to break your little chocolate squares up and put it in the bowl.
Okay.
Can you manage that? It's hard. Get all that strength.
How is Rose doing it?
You do the bigger ones and I'll do the small one for you. That's it. I'll help you.
Oh my god.
You're doing it now. You got the knack. You're doing a good job there, Rose. It's hard when you get down to the two, isn't it? Shall I do that one? Oh, you done it. Well done.
Wow, how is she doing this?
She's finding that super strength from somewhere, aren't you?
Yeah, no. She didn't even need any help.
No. Well
Nice.
done. Right, I'm going to just melt this for you and I'll bring it back in 2 seconds and we can do the rest. Are you ready? Okay, so with the chocolate, even though it looks like it's not melted, it might be. Give it a stir, because if you cook it for too long in the microwave, it can burn. See how it goes all nice and soft?
It's melted. I'm so shocked.
I know, it's surprising, isn't it?
Yeah, because
So,
it's
do you think yours is enough melted? Is there any bumps in it? Or do you think it's all gone? Shall I check it, Rose?
Can I please eat a bit of this chocolate?
No, not yet. Right, now I want you to pour in your marshmallows into your bowl. You can pick up the thing and just pour it in. Pick your bowl up and pour it in.
But there's spoons in it.
That's okay. That's it. Now stir it around.
An extra more. Cheeky.
Is it sticking in there? There, hold your bowl with one hand and that stops it moving. That's it.
Is it Rocky Roads that we're making?
Yeah, we're making rocky roads. You're doing a good job there. You're natural chefs, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, now what I want you to do is break up one of the biscuits and just break it into little bits and then drop it in there. That's it. Excellent. What a super job you're doing. Okay, I think one biscuit might be enough. Right, now you can pour some Smarties in there.
Ooh.
Maybe half the amount which is in there. See how that goes. That's it. Right, now give that a stir and see how that looks.
This looks good.
It does look good, doesn't it?
Yeah, the chocolate looks the best.
Yeah, I'd say a few more Smarties. Whoops, that one escaped. Go on then. You missed that. Good. You can go back, Geraldine, and see if you can get us all in. No, don't pinch anymore. Right, let's see how's that. Yeah, I'd say you could put another couple of Smarties in. How's yours? Yep, looking good. You can put another couple of Smarties in too. That's it. Might as well chuck them all in. Doesn't that look good?
Yeah, chocolate marshmallow.
Yummy, yummy. Right, now, okay, I'm going to go and get something else.
What do we need to do
Right,
next?
so what we need to do next is, you've got a little bowl here, right? And I want you to put this in here and kind of put it down. Squash it right down. That's it. And then just tuck it around the edge like that. So push it down and then just tuck it around and tuck it underneath like that. That's it. So our mixture is going to go inside there. Right? That's it. Good job. Right, so you get your bowl, one hand, and then the other hand, you pour your mixture in. So I'll help you there. So put your mixture into your bowl.
Do you put all of it in?
Yep, put all of it in. I'll help you in a minute if you like, Adam. Oh, wow, there's a bit there. Good job. Let's help you there. You're You're doing an excellent job.
Thank you.
How's that? You got 2 more things? And 1 there. There you go. Right, I'll leave that over here. So all we do is we get a spoon and we just gently just put it down, but not squash it too much. Just push it down a little bit. That's it. Good job. Okay, and then we put that in the fridge for an hour.
What?
And while we put that in the fridge, what do you think we should do with these bowls?
Lick them.
Lick them. So stick your finger in and enjoy the chocolate. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today with my niece and nephew. Wave.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Rose.
Bye.